In a town where the linemen don't get a tread, the crack of the whip and the stench of the dead. A whiskey-soaked pants with a heart full of rust. I roam through the night in the shadows and dust. And drifters, they all know my name. A ghost in the twilight with the devil to blame. Her memory haunts me like blood on the sand. My revolver's my guide and my knife's in my hand. In the shadows of dust, where the wild roams free, I'm a renegade rider with no place to be. The moon's like a hanging, the stars are my home. In the shadows of dust, forever I'll roam. In the shadows of dust. Campfires are whispering dark tales of woe, of bandits and bounty and hearts turned to stone. The gold in my saddle ain't worth what I've lost. For love turned to vengeance at such a cruel cost. Voices of sinners call out in the night, their faces erased by the flickering light. I buried my past in the gunpowder's glow. Each bullet a secret, only the shadows know. In the shadows